I had this Comfast router that I bought 2 years ago. I even installed OpenWRT on it so I could SSH this remotely. I've been away for 2 years, and when I came back, I can't remember the Wi-Fi password. I tried to fix it, but the Comfast router has no reset button. And I forgot to bring my USB-C Ethernet adapter for my MacBook. I found a solution using an old router. This is a tattoo router, and the default Wi-Fi name and password are at the back. I connected my MacBook to the tattoo router via Wi-Fi. Next, I disabled the DHCP server on the tattoo router and connected it to the Comfast router using an Ethernet cable from port 1 on the tattoo router to port 1 on the Comfast router. Since the Comfast still had DHCP enabled, my MacBook got an IP address from it, even through the tattoo router's Wi-Fi. What I'm doing now is optional. I'm currently using Nmap to check the open ports on my router. And I can see now the port 22 is open, which means I can SSH into it. SSH is fine, so let's proceed. I access the router's web interface in the browser. I log into it, and thankfully I remember the password. From here I can reset the router. But in this video, I will not reset the router. Instead, I will change the Wi-Fi password. That's how you can access your Comfast router or reset the router even without a reset button or Ethernet port on your laptop. Thank you for watching.